Discover the secrets to achieving a flawless wood stain finish that will elevate your projects to professional quality. Let's explore the key differences between oil-based and water-based stains to help you choose the right one for your project. Selecting the right tools and high-quality materials is crucial for achieving professional results in wood staining. Proper wood cleaning and sanding creates the ideal surface for staining, ensuring a smooth and even finish. Wood conditioner is the secret to achieving an even stain absorption, especially on tricky woods like pine or maple. Apply the stain in long, even strokes, working with the grain to ensure a uniform and professional-looking finish. Remove excess stain promptly and consistently to avoid streaks and achieve that perfect, even tone. Allow proper drying time between coats and after finishing. Patience is key to a durable and beautiful result. Consider applying a clear top coat for added protection and shine, especially for high-use surfaces. Always prioritize safety by using proper protective gear and working in a well-ventilated area when staining. Test your stain on scrap pieces first to perfect your technique and avoid common mistakes on your final project. Witness the stunning transformation that proper wood staining can achieve, turning ordinary wood into extraordinary pieces. Ready to start your wood staining journey? Click the link below for more in-depth resources and tips.